Hey MDRT, Shane Westhoelter, CEO and founder of Gateway Insurance and Financial Services. I am excited to present at MDRT this year my title called Dignity Planning, How to Have Clients Call You. Would you like to find out how to make your sales just skyrocket, how to take your practice to the next level, how you can stop selling insurance and financial services and have clients begin to call you? I will help you learn all the words to use and the words to avoid. I'm going to give you scripts and universal sales ideas that you can use no matter where you are in the world. By learning these universal sales ideas, your practice will go to the next level. I'm going to help you learn how to stop selling insurance and financial services by beginning to provide dignity to your clients. Once you start showing them that you provide dignity through the products and services that you provide, they will tell their family, their friends, their co-workers, everyone that is around them, and those people will begin to call you just like they are at our office. I no longer have to prospect. I have calls every day from clients who want to do business with us. I look forward to sharing these ideas with you. So don't miss my session, Dignity Planning, How to Have Clients Call You. I look forward to seeing you at MDRT.